everyone. So, thank you for introducing me. I'm very proud na bumalik ako dito sa school from a very busy day sa business, sa corporate company. And I'm really happy na i-share ko sa inyo ano ako nakapunta sa summit. Bakit ako na doon? What have I done? So, start ko, before I came here sa school, sa ICU, I've been working. So, that means na ako is, hindi ako nag-graduate before. So, nagtrabaho sa Teletech. So, that was year 2007 to 2008. So, just 1 year. And I realized na sabi ko, my day has been very routinary. Kumbaga, every day, yun lang yung ginagawa ko. So sabi ko, though my salary is good, but then I'm not satisfied. My environment is just like this, na nakaupo ka, accept ka ng call. I'm not really yung, kumbaga, nasatisfied on those years na okay na yung salary ko. So sabi ko, nakakarinig ako na programming is really good. So doon, pumasok yung isip ko na parang gusto ko mag-program. I need to study again. And then doon, dahil nakapag-ipon ako, mabilis ako nakaipon, call center, bumalik ako sa school. And then I chose Lyceum. And since my mother supported me, I thank her na, ayun, nakapasok ako dito. So, now that I'm here na, pasok, of course, yung iba kong grades from my previous school, na-credit naman siya. Thankfully, ma'am. So, dun talaga, well, yun talaga yung rules na yung ibang subject, hindi makukuha. So, I'm thankful na I'm continuing my study na. Okay. So, after that, during my school day na dito, so, surprise ako na tingin nila sa akin is just with their kumbaga, kung ilang taon lang sila, hindi nila alam na I'm 3 years older than them. Okay? So, yun, happy ako na ina-approach nila ako. Kasi ako yung introvert person na if you don't talk to me, I'll just look at you and simple smile na, okay. So, ganun ako before. I'm not like this na talkative. Okay? So, I developed this kind of skill from this school and from the opportunity from the professor. Sa lahat ng professor, si Ma'am Pe, si Ma'am Minette, and the rest ng mga professors nyo, always think na lahat ng binibigay sa inyo is for you. And it's a challenge na kailangan malampasan nyo yung fear. Kasi yan talaga yung usually na problem kapag nagpunta ka sa isang lugar na that you are unfamiliar. Okay? So, ano ba yung kakatakot mo? Wala naman eh. Kumbaga, it's you. Okay? You should not limit yourself. Okay? Everything is free. It's only on your will. Okay? Now, along the way, mag-aaral ako, sabi ko, malapit na. Malapit na ako yun, makagraduate. So, there. Well, thanks sa video, I realized most malul. Well, sorry. I've been emotional. I'm so happy na all of you are here listening to me and yeah. God is with us always. So, yun. So, yun, nakagraduate na ako. And I'm thankful na Palestra, si Miss Clarice, so siya yung sinabihan ko na, Ma'am, Summit Media is the #1 publishing company sa Philippines. So, pinush ko yon. na doon talaga ako, ma'am, pakiano naman. So sila kinontak nila and for 3 weeks or 2 weeks yata, tumawag. And I thought, may kasama ako. So I'm alone na as an intern sa Summit Media. And from there, ako, naka-t-shirt lang ako. I'm just a simple man. But of course, mataas yung pangarap ko. Yun yung ano nyo. Kailangan yung goal nyo hindi natatapos. And continue it with your plans, okay? So, never stop thinking ahead and out of the box, okay? And from there, okay, nasa summit na ako. Ngayon, expecting ako na meron pang isang Lyceum sana. Kasi, sabi ko, kasama kong mga intern, they are from Lasal, meron pang St. Benil. Mostly, sabi ko, well, inisip ko nga eh. But then it's a negative thing na isipin mo na out of date ka. No, you should not think like that. It's you. And it's only you na makakatulong para mag-rise above them. Kumbaga, ako, that time, kumbaga, mahihayin talaga ako. Hinahayaan ko silang but then they invite me kapag kakain, they're being friendly. Sabi ko, that time takot ako, but then yung confidence ko na makasama sila, ayun, dun na build. Okay? And dun sa mga ma'am namin doon, sa mga employees talaga, kumbaga, takot din ako lumapit, but then kailangan may pinapagawa sa akin. So, yung confidence, hinugot ko rin na I'm into this, pinili ko to, then, there, kailangan ko na mag-exceed kung ano pa yung kaya kong gawin. So, yun, nagawa ko yun. And I'm thankful na, kasi, yun yung sa akin na behind my mind, iniisip ko kagad na baka supladuin ako nito, baka i-reject ako nito. Kumbaga mali pala yun. Okay? So, huwag meron ng ganun thinking na hindi pa nga nangyayari, iniisip mo na. Kumbaga, gawin mo muna. And then after that, expect an outcome. It might be negative or positive, but then, kung negative yan, there's a solution. Okay? So, for every problem, may solution yan. Kung problema man yun. Okay? Actually, things happen to me. Marami na rin bagay na dumating. Pero, for me, right now, I look at it as a challenge. Okay? It's not a problem. It's a challenge. Okay? So, kayo, guys, I know, like this, sa field natin, mabilis yung technology, kailangan malaman nyo lahat, explore nyo kung anong mga bago. It's not just the devices, kung anong mga trends. Marami pang outside things na kailangan nyo malaman. So ako, as a business system specialist sa company, so lahat yan nire-research ko lang din. And from the clients na nakakausap ko, from there, nakukuha ko yung ideas and then bring up ko as solution for them. Okay? So kung kayo, like niyo yung field ko, you can ask or yun, I can give my email, gano'n. Then I can tell you something about this, about that, na gusto nyo malaman, okay? For the new technologies na pwede nyo pag-aralan, okay? Before, sabi ko nga, gusto ko mag-programming lang, but then ngayon, I'm very flexible na meron akong network, meron akong programming, meron akong iba pa, marami pa. Okay? So sa company, sobrang gamit na gamit ako, but then I'm happy sa environment, and I'm really thankful sa school na that company was provided to me and given to me through an opportunity from this school. Okay? So, so there. Hanggang mag-graduate ako ngayon, I'm really thankful. Ngayon, kinuha ko. But then, there was a challenge nung before that. Kasi tatlo kami. Dalawang Lasal and me, which is from here, Lyceum. Sabi ko, basta nag-pray lang ako. Lord, if this is mine, then so be it. Yun lang. Always, kailangan magkamera kayo ng thinking na, yes, God is always with us, we can pray, but then, yung mangyayari is kayo din ang gagawa. Kayo ang kikilos. Okay? So there. Nung that time, kinausap kami tatlo, may konting exam, parang ano lang, written. Okay? Positive ako na nabigay ko naman lahat. Nakita nila, then there. Lumipas yung week, kinausap ko yung isa. Sabi ko, oh, kamusta na? Ano congrats na lang pag nakuha ka. Ako, okay na ako, mag-apply ako sa iba. So yun, I was thinking na I can move on after this, na makakakuha pa ako. I'm very confident kasi the company, the school itself, provided me the knowledge na kailangan ko. So kayo, kailangan maging assertive kayo ng gustong malaman sa professor. Okay? Kailangan nyo mag-speak for yourself kung anong kailangan nyo. Kung kailangan hindi klaro yung mga bagay na dinidiscuss, kailangan nyo i-ask. Okay? Don't be afraid to ask. Kasi yan din, yan kayo makakakuha ng ideas na magagamit nyo for your future. So yun yung ginawa ko. Okay? So there. My life today is very, for me, I'm satisfied. Okay? So yun. I'm very thankful and thanks as Student Council inviting me here with my professors, Ma'am Minette, Ma'am Pet, and Sir. Thank you sa inspirational, and then about the security, system protection, take note of that kasi if you're working on a corporate company, mahalaga yun. Okay? Sa corporate company, data are really secured. Lahat ng data, hindi basta-basta nilalabas unless it is a business-related meeting or something for the business itself. Okay? So, yung system protection, yun, ini-implement namin sa corporate company namin. And I'm the one na discipline ko yung mga employee. I'm the one having the seminar for them na ako yung nagbibigay sa kanila ng business process. So, ako yung, kumbaga, main man nila na, kumbaga, tanungan nila, how's this done? Yung process. Okay, per department. So, there. Kung love niyo, kung gusto, sana na-inspire ko kayo, today, this wonderful day, sa nangyari sa akin. From being a student here, becoming an intern, and now, satisfied employee. Okay? So there. Any question? Yes. Ano na mo? Sigaw mo na lang. Ha? Nikki. Minaj. Okay. Hello.
Di ba po sa Media po yung pinagtatrabuhan niyo? Since nakikita ko lang po yung sa mga magazines, ano po yung mga fields na ino-offer nila for us?
On our field, meron silang as designer, programmer din, but mostly on PHP, JavaScripting, at saka, ngayon, ako, personally, we started as the SharePoint. Okay, SharePoint is a platform built-in with a web. Okay, so SharePoint, site na siya mismo talaga. So, yung creation ng site is very easy. You can just select, then done. Okay? Parang ganun, for the web. Okay, but then, it is a product of Microsoft. I'm not endorsing, kasi marami pang ibang solution. Okay? So there. So, it depends on how you boost yourself sa knowledge. Okay? Just dig onto technologies, kasi yan yung field na pinili nyo ngayon, okay? So there. And yun. Nikki, na-answer ko ba yung tanong mo? Okay. Thank you. Any more question? Okay. So yun. I'm happy na na-share ko yung nangyari sa akin here. So, thank you, Lyceum. I'll be back again. I know.
Thank you, Sir Jericho.